The bald eagle, one of nature's most precise hunters. From hundreds of feet above, it spots its target. Then in one perfect dive, it strikes. Next, the birds, masters of the sky. Birds are warm-blooded, just like mammals. But their superpower? Feathers. Feathers are among the most incredible structures in nature. They help birds fly, trap warm air to keep them from freezing, and attract mates with breathtaking colors.
The peacock's feathers contain no blue pigment at all. That brilliant blue is created by light bending through the feather structure.
Pure physics turned into pure beauty. Birds lay eggs. Hard-shelled eggs that protect the developing chick inside. The mother, and often the father, sit on the eggs, keeping them warm until the day they hatch.
The bald eagle builds the largest nest of any bird. Some nests weigh over a ton.
That's the weight of a small car, just for a nest.
Most birds can fly.
The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth, diving at over 200 miles per hour.
But not all birds take to the sky.
The penguin traded its wings for flippers and became a champion swimmer instead. The ostrich cannot fly either, but it can run at 45 miles per hour.
Over 10,000 species of birds exist today.
From the tiny hummingbird to the towering ostrich. Each one a masterpiece of evolution.